Contentment has been the key to my happiness. True contentment allows me to live peacefully in my everyday, no matter what the day's events, number of things that I own, or world news. Cultivating contentment provides stability of the mind and emotions as I engage with love, openness, presence, and kindness to others and myself. I strive to cultivate true contentment, which is living a life of quality over quantity. What defines quality? To me, quality speaks to the depth of my experiences, meaning, feeling, purpose, and of course, connection with others and myself, along with so many other key components that contribute to a well-lived life. Man's happiness really lies in contentment. Letting go of the idea of more became a turning point in my everyday joy. By always seeking more, bigger, better things, I was limiting my ability to find happiness within. My happiness was determined by things outside of myself, by things like conditional situations and material possessions. In letting go of old beliefs and unrealistic outcomes, I set myself free to enjoy the simplicity and beauty of life. My entire approach to life shifted by letting go of an old belief that more is good and less is bad. Instead, I no longer believe that more is good. It is only more, and less is only less. When I savor life, I'm truly content. Quieting the wanting in my mind and instead revel in what is. Savoring the present moment, bringing my attention to what is without expectation or judgment. Turning off the chatter in my mind and open to the beauty around me grounds me in life. What is life if I'm not savoring each moment just as it is? Savoring time by slowing down, taking time to engage in conversations, enjoying time with family or playing with my grandson, savoring each bite of a meal, regardless if it's a simple plate of food or a gourmet 4-course meal. Slowing down so that I enjoy every activity, noticing the tiny nuances and leaning in to each sensation. Savor the journey. After all, life is a journey filled with unexpected twists and turns, appreciating the unique circumstances that color my life. Savoring each experience as it unfolds and shapes who I am. Replace judgment with curiosity. I've always been a curious person. Curiosity allows me to adapt to new situations and enhances creativity. Curiosity is limitless. It can turn a simple day into an adventure. No matter where I am, I always feel as if I have the world at my fingertips. That I live in endless abundance and entertainment. Curiosity enhances the quality of the everyday without the need to look outside of myself for joy. Without gratitude, it's impossible to be content. Wanting for more is a desperate longing for something outside of myself to bring me happiness. Wanting is a dark cloud that seems to always hover above, keeping the bright sun and warmth of joy at bay. The single remedy to dissipate the gloom of want is gratitude. When I'm thankful for all that I do and have in my life, I'm content and happy. I do not long for more because what I have is enough. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a beautiful day, my friends.